On the Shortness of Life by Seneca is a timeless philosophical work that offers profound insights into how we can make the most of our time. Here are some of my key takeaways from this book. Seneca argues that life is long enough if we use our time wisely. He believes that many people waste their lives on trivial pursuits and distractions, not on true fulfillment. The book emphasizes the importance of living in the present and focusing on meaningful activities. Seneca advises against procrastination and urges readers to take control of their time. Seneca also explores the value of philosophy and wisdom, suggesting that studying and reflecting on life can help us understand what is truly important. On the Shortness of Life is a thought-provoking read that encourages readers to reflect on how they spend their time. Seneca's insights are as relevant today as they were in ancient Rome, making this a must-read for anyone seeking a more purposeful and fulfilling life.